So this is a very typical entry-level gateway, very small and neat, and it supports very standard 128 ZigBee or Bluetooth divided, and the recommended transmission distance is anything below 7 meters with open visual distance as well. So this one is actually the LAN gateway, and with this gateway you can also match with other products shown on the slide. So right now you are not reading the slide, but by the bottom of the slide that you will be looking at, or click into the product page, you're going to see a line of the door sensor or humidity sensor, and you can compare them all together. So we have more gateways coming because, well, when we were now introducing this part, Frank, to be very honest, I didn't know we have so many choices, options for gateway.
That's right. We have a whole range of the products.
I know. Well, even though we have 500,000 SKUs on Expo, it's still very exciting to check out all of them in person. So this one is from Shenzhen Zhuoxin Smart Technology. They provide 2 of the gateways today. At present, the company mainly proceeds with Tuya ZigBee gateway, ZigBee sensor, Wi-Fi remote, air conditioner, and intelligent wall switches, smart socket, and related home products. So I mentioned 6 categories together with other related smart home products. The products are sold all over the world, so don't worry, even if likely audience was from South Africa, you can find our powered by Tuya devices in your country as well. So Frank, any functions you know about this around?
This one supports the audio and visual alarm, you can say from this part. And it has voice promote for doorbell and alarm. The speaker volume could higher than the 95 dB. Timing, LED adjustment, and night light and security SAAS works as well.
For sure. I've been looking at the prints from the back side, so if you can zoom in from here. Well, I would okay. So I would say yes, basic, but very popular. And I also talked to the manufacturer because I actually like the design. It's not like the engineering, a square one, very big, or the one that is too small. And this one is just about the right size and the right design. And I know most of the others are from Southeast Asian countries. And surprisingly, very surprisingly, like 30% of them are from brands.
Wow.
So if you want to do the OEM orders with your brand, or you are starting with the one, not only the product you can place order today,
it's
but
the right time.
you can also do our Tuya OEM application as well.
Yeah, welcome to do any inquiries in the chat box. Yeah.
I'm like selling the services all the time. So moving on to the next one, it is a LAN gateway again, and I mean, I see them a lot. And compared to other things, anything special regarding this one?
This one, sorry, yeah, this one is actually, there's something special about this one is you will be able to replace your damaged LAN gateway without removing the sub-devices. I think this is one of the challenging part people may encounter. And they have the Linux and the 3.10 operating system. It's kind of relatively stable in the LAN connection with a stable communication. Right.
About the transmission part, it's like 2 iPhones put together, and you can transport the information from one and through the new one.
Yes.
That is the Tuya solution. Right. So if you want to OEM this one, you can apply for the 6. So right now the process is 6 out of 19. And the Linux is relatively to the computer side, which is very trustworthy, and you might be very familiar with the system. So I've also heard that ever since 2015 that they've been working with Tuya. It's actually one of the first generation saying powered by Tuya.
Yeah, they have been working with it for a long time.
Yeah, tested.